Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to find your notification settings on Discord for PC, especially with the new update. If you're eager to customize your notifications to better fit your needs, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to discordapp.com. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your user picture alongside your name. Right next to that, there's a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that settings gear. This is your gateway to all the configuration options for your Discord experience. After clicking the settings gear, you'll be directed to a new menu. Now, scroll down in the sidebar on the left until you find App Settings. Here, you'll see a list of different options you can customize. Now, the real focus is on notifications, so keep scrolling until you see the Notifications option. Click on it. Here, you can adjust various notification settings to suit your preferences, whether it's enabling or disabling desktop alerts, adjusting the sound for notifications, or even managing how often you're notified about different events. And that's it. With just these few simple steps, you can now tailor your Discord notifications to make sure you never miss a beat or, conversely, avoid becoming overwhelmed with pings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching.